All right, time now 6:44, and one of the hot items for Black Friday this season and every season, really, the TVs. That's what you stand in line for.
Absolutely, and the lines go around the block, right?
They do.
Which sizes, though, and which stores are going to save you the most money? Well, our smart shopper, Chelsea Davis, has your answer.
The 4K TV wars are on. Target was the first of the big electronics retailers to release its Black Friday ad this year. And its hottest doorbuster will be a 65-inch Samsung 4K for just $799. That's $300 off. Best Buy and Walmart are also slashing prices on 65-inch 4K TVs. But don't forget the 55-inch. Look for name brands as low as $350, and budget brands like Element, TCL, and Westinghouse will cost as low as $200. But don't get excited yet. Getting those deals may require you to miss the turkey, since stores open at most major stores at 5 p.m. Thanksgiving Day. JCPenney starts its sales at 2 p.m. To get those front page doorbusters, you'll want to get there mid-afternoon. Most are not available online. Show up at 6 and chances are the doorbuster TVs are gone.
Remember, we're your one-stop shop for everything Black Friday.
We have a link with the leaked ads, store hours, and we will continue showing you tools to get the best deals. Go to our website, abc15.com/smartshopper.
I'm sure my husband's ears are like, yep, this is
like
what I'm
Ditto
doing.
that. Ditto that.
For sure.
So if you miss out on a TV right now, don't stress or freak out, because the next time you're going to see really great deals is going to be leading up to the Super Bowl game.
Always.
So towards the end of January, we'll start to see some of these come back again. So it's exciting.
Get a twofer.
You just got to be prepared. That's the bottom line before you hit those lines.
Thank you. Yes.